Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install PyGame on your Windows operating system. So obviously you need to install Python in order to develop PyGames. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Python. It's a very simple process. And then I'm going to show you how you can install PyGame. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Python. And the first link which will appear here will be from python.org. So we are going to click on this link. And once this website is open, you will just scroll down a little and you will see this downloads section here. Now at the time of making this video, Python 3.7.4 is the latest version of Python available. So we are going to click on this Python 3.7.4. And then when you scroll down here, you will see the files section here. And what we are interested in is this Windows section. And we are going to download the Windows x86 64-bit executable installer. So this is what we want. So we are going to just click on this link which says Windows x86 64 executable installer. And it's around 25 megabyte file, so it will take few seconds to download. And once this executable file is downloaded, I'm going to just click on this executable file and minimize the browser. And now you can see this first window here. I'm going to just say run, and now you can see this installation wizard is open. So by default, Python is installed on this path on your Windows operating system. But what I would like to do is I like to install my Python in my C directory so I can easily access that directory. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose this second option which says customize installation. Okay, so before choosing this customize installation, you can also check this checkbox which says add Python 3.7 to path. This is going to add this Python installation to your path variables. And now we are going to just click on customize installation, and we will leave everything as default and then click on next. And here is what we want to change in the location. So instead of giving this path for the installation directory, we are going to just create a new directory Python in the C directory, and then we are going to install Python 3.7 inside that directory. So this will be the path where I'm going to install my Python. So I'm going to just create quickly this directory into my C drive. So I'm going to just go to my PC and then into my C drive, and you can see there is no Python directory there. So I'm going to create a Python directory here. So folder, and the name of the folder will be Python. Okay. So this is what I have created. So now this Python will be installed in this directory on my Windows operating system. So now I'm going to just click on install and then click on yes, which is going to start the Python installation. So it's not going to take a long time. It will be a very quick process to install Python on your Windows operating system. And now you can see this setup was successful. So Python is installed on our Windows operating system. So we are going to close this window and check whether it's installed successfully and working fine or not. So I'm going to just click on this Windows icon here, and then I'm going to just click on all apps, and you will see on the recently added section this Python docs first of all, and then you will see the Python idle IDE which you can use to develop your Python projects. And also you will see this Python 3.7 manual, and you will see this Python command line prompt. Okay, so first of all we are going to open this idle IDE. Just click on idle, which is going to open this idle IDE, and you can see this idle IDE is open. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to configure this idle, and I'm going to make these fonts little bit bigger. So I'm going to just say that I want 16 font size, and then I'm going to just say apply and then click OK. So now you can see this font size is little bit bigger, so you can see it easily. and I'm going to just print hello world here. So here I'm going to just write hello world and then press enter, which is going to print hello world. This means idle is working fine, and you can just start using this idle IDE to develop your Python script. Now once Python is installed successfully, you can also go to command prompt. So you can just right click on your Windows icon and then open command prompt, and here you can first of all check Python. So I'm going to just write Python hyphen version, and here it's going to just show you the current version which you have installed for Python, and also you will be able to give this command, which is pip version. So I'm going to just give a pip hyphen version. Pip is a Python package manager. Using pip, you can install various Python packages like PyCharm on your Windows or any other operating system. So just give this command pip hyphen version in order to check whether pip is working or not. So you can see pip is also working in my command prompt, which I have opened using Windows command prompt. It's not Python's command prompt, it's a Windows command prompt, right? So once this pip command is working and it's giving some sort of pip version, then we are ready to install PyGame. So once this pip command is working with your Windows command terminal, then we are ready to install PyGame. So in order to install PyGame, you just need to give this command pip install and then PyGame. So this is the command to install PyGame on your Windows 10 operating system. I'm going to just press enter, which is going to start downloading some packages. So in order to install PyGame, obviously you need to have working internet, and you can see successfully installed PyGame 1.9.6, which is the latest version at the time of making this video. So once you see this message which says successfully installed PyGame, I'm going to just clear this terminal. You can just give a cls command on Windows to clear your terminal, and once again I'm going to give this Python command. So I'm going to give this Python command on my Windows terminal, and here I'm going to just write import PyGame and then press enter, and if it doesn't give any error, then you are ready to develop your PyGame on your Windows operating system. It says hello from PyGame community, and you can contribute to PyGame on this URL. So once this works, let's create an example using PyGame. So I'm not going to go into details, but I'm going to run a simple PyGame script in order to demonstrate whether it's working or not. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my idle IDE, which comes with the Python installation. So I'm going to just go to this idle, and I'm going to just open this idle IDE. And once this idle IDE is open, I'm going to create a new file using this file option and then click on new file. And first of all, let's save this file. So I'm going to just save this file on the desktop or anywhere wherever you want. So I'm going to just save this file on my desktop, and I'm going to just name this file as testpygames.py, and then just click on save, which is going to save this file on my desktop. You can see this file is created, and now here in this file I'm going to just paste a simple PyGame script. You can see I have imported this PyGame package, and then I have just created a simple script to just check whether PyGame is working or not. So I'm going to first of all save this script. So I'm not going to go into the details, I'm going to just run this script. So once this is working, I'm going to just click on run, and then I'm going to just say run module, which is going to run this module on my idle shell. And you can see now this PyGame window is opened. Let's check one more example. This will be our last example. So I'm going to just save this file and then run it using run module or F5 command. And when it's running, you will be able to see this kind of window, and all the bricks are moving. So you can see a simple window with all these moving bricks inside the terminal. So now you can see that PyGame is successfully working. So now you can start creating your games using this PyGame library. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.